Hello everybody and welcome back to a Hat in Time. Today we're gonna be starting chapter 2, Battle of the Birds. So let's get into it. And this chapter we are introduced to two of my favorite characters.
This movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ. Grooves. The movie should be made by real birds. You moon penguins are just gonna write some loud, noisy dribble. If I wanted a bunch of picnics to dance around while on birdseed, ha! I'd visit my grandchildren.
Nonsense, darling, nonsense. You Owl Express birds are just gonna record another boring train-related western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling.
What? No, we haven't, you buffoon!
Conductor, darling, this year we'll be winning the annual Bird Movie Award, as our new movie props will bring in the audiences. These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie sets and fill them with glimmer.
Oh, yeah? Well, this time around, we're also spicing it up with our newest movie props. These hourglass thingies will be the grand jewel in our train heist western. What the what? You no good, dirty picnics! You copied our props!
I would never, darling. Clearly, you're the one who took inspiration in my flashy new props.
Oh, that does it! Get out of here with ya! I've got a movie to record!
Fine by me, darling. But we'll be the ones who win the annual Bird Movie Award. Mark my word.
Oh, yeah? Let's see how well you do when you can't get into the reception. Oh, wait, shutting the picnics inside the studio will force them to work harder. All right, time to go, Owls. Let's make our killer movie. Oh, and receptionist, can you please close off that vent already? I don't want the smell of penguin to come anywhere near my crew.
Also, I said that these are one of my favorite characters, but genuinely love like every character from this game. And hello, Bert Sower.
Welcome, young one. Please make a purchase at my humble stall.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy the no bong badge. Because it's useful. Okay, there. So now we're just gonna make it up there. Trespassing 7,000 pawns. The timepieces. We gotta go after them.
Performance than the owls.
Let's make this movie happen! Owls, in position, action!
To be honest, of the two, I can't really decide who's my real favorite, because to be honest, they're really just both great characters. And here we got an Iceon head, which means we can stitch it, which will unlock many things. Also, we can do this. What? Wait. Yeah. Also, the ice hat ability is really useful for assault on cactus. Yes, the ice hat ability is really good for an assault on a cactus. What I was meant to say is that it's useful for death wishes, the non-jumping ones, because you can use its ability on the ground and it'll bring you into high places. And we got a relic. Yay. Anyways, I think we need to go that way. Oh god, oh god. That was close. Penguin Harrison number 2. Destruction of property. Well, I should have loved that. Just went down here. Three PKO and our harassment number 2. And what's a rift token? Nope, just yarn. I could have honestly guessed. And hello DigiGrooves. Open sesame. Wait, what? Wait, that's sesame. Tampering with electronics. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Also, I don't even know if this works. Anyways. Trippy. Okay, yeah. Oh no. And they caught me. Okay, cool, cool. The Something Studio recordings. I don't even think they were recording, but okay. Our harassment. Our harassment number 3. The Something Studio recordings number 2. Wow, look at that. We already own the 222,000. What an even number. Now we're totally gonna pay that off later. Yep, totally. We're gonna pay that back. Oh, we're already at the end. Hell yeah, we kept it an even. It's an even number, which I don't even know why. There's hot pots here.
Magnificent. Stunning. This trophy is everything I desire. On the shelf in my living room. Of course, this big trophy is just a plastic replica. The actual trophy is really tiny.
Hello.
Oh my, what is that I see? Is it true inner beauty? An innocent soul with a heart of gold? Oh no, it's just a little girl. Hello. Oh wait, you're not a penguin. That's good. I could use some non-penguin company around here, as all my penguins are frankly terrible actors.
Damn.
Here's the biz. I need your help. I'm on a terrible losing streak, and I just have to win this next annual Bird Movie Award.
I see.
There's no doubt I absolutely must have you as the star. Here, let me take care of this.
Ah, thank God.
We need to give you a bird passport, darling. Step right over here.
Okay.
The most important part of a passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashy and stunning. Step right over here. Let's take the pic.
Okay.
Okay, put on a smile and stand still, please. Don't move.
Yeah, we'll be sure to do that.
Let's see how the picture turned out. Darling, you moved! The picture is ruined! How could you? We've got to fix this ugly mugshot up with some old-fashioned photo doctoring. Here, take these markers and turn yourself into the most stylish, fashionable young lady.
Wait, I know how to fix this. There. There.
Perfect! Let's slide this picture into your passport, and here you go. One passport for you.
Yay. I'm legal bird now. I think at least.
Wonderful, darling. Oh, just wonderful. Meet me at the movie set tomorrow, and we'll make you a star.
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Oh, you can't just jump in and fiddle with the annual Bird Movie Awards. That's fraud! Fraud! Hey, everyone! We've got a fraudster over here!
Well, calm the freak down.
Where are my owl guards at? Why are the owls so darn useless? Alright, listen here, lass. You're in big trouble. If you're helping crooked DJ Grooves rig the awards, and I can't take you to jail, then you're got to help me even the score. That's right. You're got to be the star of my movies too. Here, hold our newest prop. Practice showing it off and bring it to my movie set tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late.
Thanks. Now we can choose to go with conductor first or DJ Grooves. Now I'm actually gonna do DJ Grooves first because it's shorter.
Welcome to the first day of shooting, darling.
Hey, you gotta be careful with those words.
We need to transform you into the biggest movie star the bird world has ever seen. You need to become a diva. That's why I've called for a press conference here on our moon set. You need to get out there in front of the cameras and electrify the public, darling. Get them really up and going for your movies. Once you've got them going crazy, come back here and we'll show off our new prop. That's right. We'll unveil our new movie prop to the masses.
Nice. Also, I never really thought about it, but if the conductor has grandchildren, then that means that he has canonically had
Looks like it's
sex.
endorsement time.
Yeah.
All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing, guaranteed. Just look as she'll climb up this statue and rescue the poor puppy that has gotten stuck. Right, darling?
Yes. Yeah.
Look at that! She helped the puppy down safe and sound. Too bad it ran off and definitely didn't break into multiple pieces. This is truly a diva I can get behind. Let it be known that this little girl is all about animals. Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Out.
Whoa, wait. There's a pretzel you here. I never knew about this.
Not everything I sell is of value. I also sell terrible badges, and yet people buy them anyway.
Because they're required for achievements and that wishes. I will come back for the scooter because I need it. Ah.
You called, darling? Looks like it's endorsement time. Now, darling, I'd have to mention this. Cooking show hosts have a terrible track record of getting angry and swearing on screen. Try not to use the P word, okay? Don't say P-E-C-K.
Okay, yeah.
The conductor is old-fashioned. He throws that word around a lot. It'll get him in trouble someday. Until then, let's keep our show clean.
Will DJ Grooves cancel the conductor on Twitter.com?
Hello, viewers! Even the biggest celebrities have to eat. And I've got with me the biggest celebrity of them all. Now tell us, darling, what kind of condiments do you like on your tuna sandwiches?
Peepus.
Amazing! I bet that eating tuna sandwiches like that is probably how she keeps a slim figure. Take note, penguin viewers. Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Out.
Huh? Wait, there's the photo guy up there. Hello.
The moon is pretty alright, kid. It feels great finally being here after all these years. But that darn Steve from work sent me a postcard from the sun. He says it's great. I can't believe that guy, always trying to one-up me.
Ah, yes. Just stand on the sun like a true Chad. Wait, I need these too. Hello. You like, whatever then. Okay. Okay, let's find our way back to the shopkeeper so that we can actually buy that. Oh, there he is. Hello.
Not everything ice.
Yes, please. Now, I'm not gonna use this yet, but it will be useful later.
You called, darling? Looks like it's endorsement time. All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing, guaranteed. Watch as she beats these hard-boiled card players at their own game on her first try. This game is easy to understand, darling. You just guess which number of cards the other player is holding from 1 to 10. Which card do you think he's holding, darling?
69. Yes, I am immature.
Wow, fantastic, incredible! The answer is indeed 3! Folks at home, you have just witnessed the stunning intuition of a true star! Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves! Out.
Thank you, DJ Grooves. Max Diva, yay.
The audience.
Oh, oops, I accidentally skipped that. Sorry. But you made me fall. Also, fun fact,
Call, darling. Looks like it's endorsement time.
I have never had a run where I had DJ Grooves win. Yeah.
All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing, guaranteed. Look at how street smart this diva is. She's standing in this sinister alleyway right next to some potential wrongdoers. Danger is her middle name, and she's not afraid to step outside of her comfort zone. Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Out.
Ah, yes. Hat Danger Kid. My favorite protagonist. Yarn. Anyways, peace time. Yay. Okay, I'm actually gonna skip through this. And now, with the scooter, we can actually go and beat it and do a timepiece. Not really the intended way. Yeah. Cheating the race with legit. Perspiration, no chance. Yeah. I know I don't have an item required. I'm gonna enter anyways. A white bulb. Yeah, as you can see, we can either just summon a scooter. Now, if we do everything right, we should be able to actually win this race.
Child want to race fastest man alive? Mafia stole timepiece from HQ. If you win, Mafia give it to you.
Okay, race me, chicken.
Mafia not sure Mafia survive this, but at least Mafia die as fastest man alive.
Sorry to tell you this, but if you
Get ready. Go!
but if you race on a rocket, that doesn't actually count as being the fastest man alive. Okay, yeah, I messed up. Great. Great. Yeah. Attempt to... Oh.
It is
Also, he kinda starts earlier than we do, so that's already a disadvantage. No! Okay, yeah, I was kinda close. We can do this. It's just gonna take a couple of tries.
it is
Get ready. Go!
Oh, come on. I was close. Getting real close. Okay, you know what? I will try again. And then if I don't win, we will keep on moving with chapter 2, and I will do it in a later video.
it is on.
Yeah, because we actually need to move on. So, you know.
Get ready. Go!
Wait, no. Nah, this wasn't a real attempt. I'm gonna retry. I could like try another thread that I saw. So I'm gonna try that. Actually, no, never mind.
It is on.
Okay, one more real attempt, and then I'm done with
Get
this.
ready. Go!
Oh, come on. Okay, yeah, nope. I give up. Gotta try this in another video. Murder on the Owl Express. Now, this can be a time-inducing act, but who cares?
Welcome back, lassie. I haven't written the script for my next movie yet, so we're not recording. I'll call for you when the script is ready.
I see. Oh,
Why,
hello.
Hello there, fellow owl. I don't believe we've had the pleasure of meeting. As you can tell, I am also an express owl. I do much hooting. From one owl to another, we can share details, yes? What is your uncle's sister's maiden name?
It was a good question. Bob.
Oh, it is. I see. This is the kind of uncle's sister's maiden name I would expect from a fellow express owl.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so we can just turn this off now.
Did you know that having a pet helps improve self-confidence and relieve stress? Did you also know that pets can have pets? It is true. Unfortunately, us express owls are not allowed to have pets. It is a sacrifice we must make in the name of hooting.
Rest in beans.
But if you had a pet, what do you think the name of your pet's childhood pet would be? Is certainly an interesting name for a pet, even for a pet's pet.
Yeah, it is certainly not a reference to anything.
Oh, hello, fellow express owl. I am stuck on an advanced mathematical and scientific issue. Do you see this advanced formula on the blackboard? I cannot decipher it. Can you decipher the scientific formula for me? What does it say?
Yes,
I
totally.
see. The solution is it was obvious. Thank you, fellow express owl, and thank you for agreeing to the terms and conditions on the backside of the blackboard.
Oh, come on, I didn't even put the caption right. I see.
It's really difficult to get settled down on this train with these crows crowding the place. They keep interviewing me about everything I do.
Yes.
Fellow express owl, do you ever wonder what it would be like to be a superhero?
No.
Most important feature of a superhero is the name. Every superhero needs.
Sorry guys for the cut there, but I needed to do something. Anyways, we're gonna continue.
Well, what would your name be if entered on an online form with standardized account identification requirements?
There.
That name is great. I can already imagine it. The mighty Savior of Justice. I'll just write your answer down here real quick.
Yeah. Yo, what's up?
Us express owls all have parts of our body we're ashamed of. This is why some owls choose to pluck their feathers. Which body part of yours are you the most ashamed of, fellow express owl?
Peepus.
Oh, poor express owl. You shouldn't be ashamed of your but you'd better get your checked out by a doctor. I read online it could be a sign of bird flu.
What? A body part being a sign of a bird flu. Okay, buddy. Thank you.
Wait! Don't come in here! I lost my contact lens somewhere. Please don't step on it. I can't move out of the way. I might step on it myself.
What? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, buddy. Whoa. Yay, you get the crime scene. Time to soak around. Watch out for this tiny detective. Tiny detective? Not the first one I have heard of.
Is this a kid with a hat? I hope you like my present. Go to the back of the train. Your uncle's sister has come to visit you. You better show your fam some love, or I'll be talking to a corpse next time.
Oh no. Not Bob. Oh, I better hurry. I better hurry. Oh no. I better hurry. Oh, Jesus.
Murder! On my Owl Express?
Murder.
I can't believe someone would murder one of the express owls. And I can't believe even more that it's your uncle's sister. What do you have to see for yourself? Ooh, you're giving me the quiet treatment, eh? That's what a murderer would do.
Leave this case to us. We're
Duh.
CAW, the Crow Agent Watch. We've been monitoring everyone on this train since the last station. We'll be searching the entire train for evidence. No one is allowed to go outside of this wagon.
What? I can't even walk around in my own train. Oh, how dare ya!
Once the clock hits midnight, we'll get off at the station with the murderer in cuffs. Stay here while we investigate further.
Thank you. It just so happens that it's 11 p.m. Okay, well, we're gonna go here. The conductor is now an available suspect. Nice. Oh shit. Yes, very good. It kills me. Okay, we need a key, so wrong way. Oh boy. The Crows are now an available suspect. Suspicious. Oh wait now. Ooh, relic. Okay, well, time to go back and open that door we couldn't earlier. I gotta go up here. I guess I should spend that. Hello.
So you think you could just sneak around the train like this?
Yes.
Just drop the detective act. You'll never catch the real murderer. You can't point your finger at someone without clues. The clock is ticking. Will you be able to find enough clues to point your finger at the murderer?
Yes. Yes, I will. I already have some evidence, so take that, conductor. Yeet. Wow, that's gonna help so much. Oh wait. Ooh, we need another key, okay. Actually, round the door again. I gotta learn this. You can't catch me. Wait, there's a knife. Oh, there's just a token there. And honestly, like I said, I'm gonna try to a DJ Cruiseling because I never done it before. Oh no. Yeah. Locked. Alright, we can probably make it up there. Never mind. Yeah, no, nothing here. Ooh, there's something up there. Yarn. No, damn it. Wait, actually I can't just save. I have the no bunking badge. Up. There we go. We have 13 yarn. Okay, yeah, no, nothing there. So I actually forgot where we need to go. Great. And we obviously don't need to go there. That leads us back here. So let's explore here. Oh wait, I can enter this. Right. Okay, yeah. We just need to make it back to... Wait. Oh, I'm stupid. Let's make it back up there, shall we? Boom. $30 minutes left. What even is an hour minute? Okay, let's go in here. Hello.
You don't give up, do you? It seems the only way I can get rid of you is to make you run out of time. So here's a fun time eater. Has gotten itself in an unusual situation. It's hanging out on a thin rope for dear life, just above a wood-cutting machine. What an odd coincidence. What are you going to do? Save it from becoming sawdust? Or figure out who the murderer is?
Azrael, no. I won't let you die. Bam. Phew.
Thank you, kind human, for saving me. Woof, woof. I found his clue on the murderer. Hope it helps you. Woof, woof.
Thank you, Azrael. Bob! Oh my goodness. How could you, Bob? Yeah, I obviously can't make it up there. Peepus. Oh, shut up. Shut. Wait, how do I make it up there again? Do I just... Oh, there's a path on here. I completely forgot. Oh, damn it. Second time I got caught. But no worries, already a hard on. Left activated. Wait, chest. Earth token, yay. Yeah, wait, why are the... I was even looking out for me. I thought you guys were with me. What the heck is this? Oh, 15 hour minutes. Wait, no, is that 10? The Express was an available suspect. I didn't get everyone, but who cares? Time's up.
So, who done it?
Good question.
We don't know. We couldn't find any conclusive evidence. We have no idea who murdered this owl.
What? So you've done pickle to solve the case? Who's the murderer? Which one of you did it?
Who's the murderer? Protect and serve at all costs. We got eyes everywhere and we saw nothing. We're joking. Picnic and Bob. Yeah, I think it's the crows. Yes.
The crows did it?
It's true.
But why? Why murder one of the express owls?
Look, there isn't a lot of bird-related crime going on. Us car agents were gonna be out of work in weeks. You can't imagine how crammed it is for several dozen birds to live in a single one-room apartment. We needed some crime to solve in order to get paid. So we stabbed him with a rubber knife and left him for dead.
What's a what? Rubber knife?
Yeah, can I go now? I'm kinda sore from playing dead for so long. This rubber knife is also a bit uncomfortable.
Sir, that is through your entire body. How are you not seriously injured? Even if it is a rubber knife.
Well, thanks for solving the murder, lassie. Not only did you reveal the murderer, you also
Murder.
revealed that the victim was never harmed. And you gave us intense footage for the movie. What? Do you think I'd let a murder happen on my Owl Express? Oh, think again. That was all just a setup for my newest Owl Express movie. Oh, you think DJ Picnic will make a movie that's even remotely as good? Ha! I think not. Here, take this thingamajig and get out of here.
Fine. Intruder alert. Who? Oh, hey there.
So, we meet again. My arch nemesis. What? You don't remember me? How rude. It's me, boss of the mafia. Remember? You blew me up in our little indiscretion, and your young friend captured my remains in this jar. I'm without a body. I should be furious, but it is okay. The past is the past, and I'll accept your carcass as an apology. You won't hand it over? Such nerve on such a small child. If I had hands, I would slap you. I'll just buy a new body then. There has to be some poor soul out there who would be willing to trade his corpse for money. I may not look like it right now, but I'm well traveled.
I know the whereabouts of all the secrets on this planet.
Huh.
Find my map badge, and I will show you where you can find relics that will make you rich.
Oh, I don't have any money yet. But let me assemble this real quick. Also, here's what happens if you assemble it wrong. Wait. Yes. But, yeah. Yes, I think this is how it's supposed to work. Hehe. Anyways, but that's gonna be it for this video. On the next video we're gonna actually start Subcon Forest, because we need an item for that to continue the chapter. Goodbye everybody, and have a good day.